Welcome to the Printulu channel. My name is Jean. For you that don't know me, I've been a designer for approximately 12 years. I have a degree in visual communication. Okay, so one of the things that a lot of people want to find out is how to design a business card. Now, I'm assuming that is not based on a designer and that you are somebody that would like to design a business card because you need a business card, but you don't know how to approach this. So it's really simple. There are a few ways for you to approach this. I'm going to go with an easy route, which would be Canva. There is, it really depends on a lot. So if you have Illustrator, you would go via Freepik, download a template, update your template, and I'm going to show you now, but basically we're going to go via that route. So there are a few. Okay, so if you go into Google and you well, you don't have to, okay, so first off, if you want to design a business card, Freepik, and you have Illustrator, then you can go to a website called Freepik. Freepik has millions of designs. Ooh, very interesting. That you can download some of them for free, but you will need to attribute Freepik, or you can if you have a paid subscription, you don't have to attribute. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of designs, and the easiest way to do it is literally to go and find one you like and update it. I can quickly show you how to do it. So free, here it does say attribution required. So if you do a free download, so let's say we have a 90 by 50 business card. You'd set up your details. You would go to your downloads folder and you would open the EPS. So EPS can open in CorelDRAW and in Illustrator. I'm not sure what other programs it can open in, but those are the two. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I actually made a little whoopsie now because this is gonna make my life harder. That's okay, we've pasted it. So you can see the sizing isn't always 100%. That is because a lot of the creators of Freepik are from other places, so it might not be spot on. You'll just adjust it. One of the things you do need to take into account is that with Printulu, your minimum font size is 5 points. As you can see, this is 3.9, so you'd automatically pull this to be bigger. Okay, just act as if that's it. Obviously you would pop your logo in here and update your details, but I'm sure if you have Illustrator, you know how to do it. Very importantly, once you've updated your details, you've placed your logo in, file place, add your logo in, okay, updated all your details, changed your colors. Now, okay, that's how you change your colors with a lot of effort. So new logo, updated your details, update your QR code, then you have to file, save as just before. Okay, go to file, save as, then you're gonna save it with a very better, like an improved name compared to what I just did there, please, by all means. So once you've selected save a copy, just edit your name, save as a PDF. Okay, and then here, most importantly, high quality print. Deselect preserve editing capabilities, trim marks, select trim marks, and use document bleed settings, and then save PDF. Fairly simple for Illustrator. Now then, if we were to go another route where you aren't a designer but you still want a pretty thingamabobby, yes. Okay, now that we've done, we've quickly seen what there is to offer on Freepik and how you could look at that and use that version. Here's Canva. So Canva has T's and C's to it, and I actually have a video where it says how to correctly size for printing with Printulu and adjusting templates for that. But we're not really here to do that right now. You want to know how to design a business card? I'm going to show you the easiest way. So you log into your Canva account, you search business card. Here are a lot of options. What you need to know is that the sizing won't always be perfect. As in, usually, for instance, Canva's business card size is 85 by 50, not 55. So take that into account. Browse through everything. You can see there's quite a lot of loyalty card designs, which is very, very nice. It's a very nice way to continuously, retain clients. But in any way, let's say you want to make a business card. Let's click this thing. Okay, so obviously Juliana Silva, beautiful, but we might want to add in a business card or like a logo. So I'm quickly going to look if we can do that. So you go to uploads. We're going to find a file. I'll find a Printilli logo, although that is not visually going to work with our style. That's okay. We'll figure it out. Wait. Okay, so let's say we're gonna have this beautiful logo here. Okay, we're just gonna add it in there, and then we'll probably delete this, not because we really want, or let's say online. Okay, then because we want to show you how to update an actual goeie genade existing template. So we can do this way. Okay, now hopefully, luckily we have our colors here, so we can kind of see what we should be seeing. Maybe we do that so that it's like a very creative. Can't we get rid of that? That's very creative, man. Like very artistic. Okay, so my name is Jean. Everybody knows this about me. You would go, if you want to change your fonts, you can go here. There are many options to choose from. The most important part is that it's legible. So make sure it's nice and big. That usually helps a lot. Clients don't always worry that much about it, but they should. Okay. Legibility is super important. So I'm a designer. I've been a designer for the last 5 billion years. Here you could, upload an emoticon, not an emoticon, a social media icon if you wanted to. It is very popular on business cards. It really depends on your style, if it's required. Just one thing to take into account is making sure that your icons are big enough. Like if you look at it 100%, just make sure that they're big enough that they won't be super duper small. It's important. People miss that. And then they have these little small thingies, but nobody's able to actually read what the hell's going on there. So you could, you could put it in. You don't have to. You could add in your own custom ones. I'm sure there are elements here like icons, like, you see, when in doubt, just search for something. Calm. Shit, no. Let's see, Facebook icon. Yeah. So it'll help you, guide you through most of this. Obviously you can just add that one in and go and change the color. Double click, when in doubt, double click. You can change a lot of stuff that doesn't really matter. So let's say you want to add something in, that's how you do it. Super simple. Okay, but we don't really need to do that. Well, we could. So I'm just going to do this. I don't know the number. else. Okay, so then if I wanted to do @Printulu for the Facebook, I could just do that. Obviously, this is not the prettiest of fonts. I don't know how to say that nicely. It really isn't. Really isn't. That is not right. But anyhow, we're not going to worry about that yet. Currently. Yeah, anyway, doesn't really matter. Okay, so you can change your fonts, you can change all of these. Once you're done, go to share, download. The best is PDF print. Hopefully if you have the paid version, please select CMYK. Otherwise you would have to go on to you would have to use an online RGB to CMYK converter. Okay, that's about it. When you download it, okay. When you download it, you'll see. So you can see it's 85 by 50. It's gonna get reported if it's Printulu, but it doesn't matter. For the purpose of this video, how to design a business card. Hope you guys have a lovely day.